Good morning, students. I hope you have a nice day. Today, we are going to discuss certain topics in principles and practices of crop production. In that, we are going to discuss certain topics in our course outcome 4. Okay, so we are going to see how being some agricultural crops like rice are being cultivated. So, see, there will be certain procedures will be common, and depending upon the crop what we are growing, so we'll have to the steps will be the same, but we will have to change the ingredients. Okay, methods. So we are going to see how rice is being cultivated. So we know very well rice is cultivated under puddled and also unpuddled lowland situations in Tamil Nadu. So normally you would have seen this rice. They would have either sowing their seeds by broadcasting, or they would have done transplanting. Okay, so this both are the two methods that are used for puddled lowland rice cultivation. In the case of unpuddled lowland cultivation, undergoes different environment like dry seeding, exclusive with rainfall. Locally we call it as a rain-fed rice. Okay, and during this peak seasons you have a supplement irrigation also, and based on rainwater, and also we have water conservation technologies, we can do this. So nursery management regarding for rice, what we do have is at least we need 20 cents of land. Okay, and also very essential is water source. Okay, and if we have 20 cents of land near water water source, from this you can develop a nursery, and you can get seedlings for nearly 1 hectare, right? And seed rate is 30 kg for long duration and 40 kg for medium duration, 60 kg for short duration. Why? Because before it is growing to the correct in the sense the maturity stage, if you are transplanting, then it will be occupying less space. So you can have 60 kg for short duration and 20 kg for hybrid varieties. Next one is seed treatment. So the seed treatment is why it is essential. See, actually we are protecting our seeds from moisture, from certain weeds, or you can say it as certain pest. Okay, and also we are protecting our seed from getting rotten, and we are giving some boosting our seed. Okay, so that their growth will be good. So seed treatment is done with the help of biofertilizers. We have 5 packets, that is 1 kilogram per hectare, each of Azospirillum and Phosphobacteria, or 5 packets of Azos inoculants are mixed with sufficient water. And what we are doing is the seeds are just soaked overnight. Before we are sowing into nursery bed, we are just soaked in this mixture. And next we are going to, this is for seed. Next we have to make our seed bed comfortable for getting over the seeds. Okay, so that we are getting a very good growth. So we need a plots that have to be made with 2.5 meter breadth and channels of 30 centimeter. So length of seed bed can be from 8 to 10 meter according to the slope and also soil. So we have to collect the puddled soil from the channel, and we have to spread on the seed beds. Okay, and what happens is level the surface of the seed bed. What happens is if your level is not proper, that water draining will be a major drawback. Okay, so you'll have to take it into consideration that your surface of a seed bed is leveled. Next is sowing. So what you do is sow the sprouted seeds uniformly, and we should have a film of water in the surface. That's very important of water management, and you'll have to drain the water of 18 to 24 hours after the sowing. Okay, so care should be taken to avoid stagnation of water. There should be no stagnation of water in the seed bed, and allow enough water to saturate the soil from 3rd to 5th day. 5th day water we can increase the water depth. That you have to 18 to 24 hours. We should take care how much water is being present in the seed bed. Okay, then we can maintain 2.5 centimeter of water depth of water. Weed management. So what we need is we are going for pre-emergence. We have post-emergence or also pre-emergence. So in rice we always go for pre-emergence. That is pyros. We have certain chemicals, isn't it? We can go for pyrosulfuron ethyl. Okay, that's we have a certain quantity, and this is we are avoiding. This will control this germinations of weeds. Next one is nutrition management, right? So nutrition management, what happens here, this we are applying 1 ton of fully decomposed this is FYM or compost 20 cents of nursery, and we are spreading the manure uniformly on the dry soil. So basal applications of DAP is recommended when the seedlings are to be pulled out in 20 to 25 days after sowing in a less fertile nursery. So this we know very well harvesting, and harvesting, when I am saying, you can just think it over. You would have done with the help of the maturity. You can see with the color, you can see in this, and you will have thrashing machines. You would have seen in your nearby villages. Okay, from that the seeds are being taken out, and after that they are maintained in a proper environment free from rats and from moisture, and they are given to the people. Okay, thank you.